Hello ladies and gentlemen, now it is time for coding and today's activity is about retrieving data from database. So as we wrote code for inserting data into database, so I'm going to show you how to retrieve this data from database and then display in the table here. Okay, so I need this table. So as you can see, this table has got 4 columns, the same as the one which is created in this database. Okay, so now I have to edit. Okay, so to edit, I go to table content, then I can go to row, then I reduce to 0, then I can go to table content again, I go to columns, and then I change the name. Okay, let's say ID, and then column number 2 is first name, column number 3 is last name, and column number 4 is address. Okay, so next thing to do is to double click here and then I write my code here. Okay, so private void, so this is a method that doesn't return any value. Okay, view table, and this method will help us to retrieve data from database. So int a, and then we need try and catch, exception ex. Okay, then g option pan dot show message dialog, this error plus ex dot get message, no dot get message. Okay, so this is a message that will be displaying in case we have got an error. Okay, so now I go to write my code here, okay, for connecting to database. So to connect to database, I write this code, class dot for name, okay, then com MySQL JDBC and driver. Okay, then you can say connection con go to driver manager dot get connection. Okay, then JDBC MySQL. Sorry, here I have to put dot JDBC and dot, okay, MySQL, then localhost. So I can do this localhost, okay, then my database name, which is student, and here I use root and root. Alright, so this first root is the username that I used when I was installing MySQL, and this is the password. So as I said, in case you didn't use this password, you can just leave it blank. Okay, then prepared statement pst, okay, equal to con dot prepare. So let's say prepare statement. Then here you can say select all from the table name. So I go to my database and then I check the name of my table. So the name of the table is record 1. So I can even copy it. Okay, copy, then I paste it here. So select all from record 1. Okay, then result set okay, equal to ls, no, result set ls equal to pst dot execute query. Okay, execute query, and so this result set, so I have to import it. Okay, then result set metadata, result set metadata. Okay, set lsd, okay, equal to or let's say lss, okay, equal to rs, so this one, okay, dot get metadata. Okay, then a equal to rss dot get column, okay, count. Okay, then default table, default table, so let's say default table model. Okay, this one. Okay, df equal to so I can do this default, okay, default table model. Then here I can say I can put the table name, so the variable name of my table. So what is the name here? If I go to change variable name, I can see it is G table 1. So I can say my table, for example. Okay, so then I come back to source code. So then I can say my table, okay, dot get model. Okay. All right. So then this df dot set row count to 0. Okay. Then while uh, this ls result set dot next. Okay. So I open and close the braces, and then what I put inside is vector uh, v. So this is an object, new vector. So let's say new vector, do this. Okay. Then so this is while. Okay. Then for int I equal to 1. Okay. I which is less or equal to a, then I plus plus. Okay. Then v dot add ls dot get string. Okay. id. So what is the name of this field? So it's id. So I'm going to copy it. Okay. Put id here. So I can even copy this. Okay. Control copy, and then Control V. This one will be for first name. Control V, and this one is for last name. And then this Control V. This one is for address. Okay, so I just go to my database, so and check the name of column number 2. I copy it, then I paste it here. Okay. I go back, I copy this one, then I paste it, then I copy address. Okay. So the reason why I like copying and pasting is because I don't want to. It's help you to avoid errors. Okay. So now, then here I can say df dot add row. Okay. So then for v. Okay. Then from here I can copy my methods, then I bring it here. Okay, so can bring it here. Okay, then I paste it. Paste. Okay. Oh, Control V. All right. So now, if I run my code, okay, so I can write. Okay, so let's say uh, James, let's say Onyango, and then address Paris. Okay, save. All right, so well recorded. So if I click, so you can see that my data has been selected. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. So the next video will be about updating this data and deleting them. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.